Hello guys, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ezekiah Omoyemi. In today's Excel tutorial, we are going to be looking at get function. The get function is similar to the VLOOKUP function that you all have been using. So what is the get function? The get function is a function that is used to extract values from a list or a database based on a specific or based on multiple criteria that you specify. Follow along as I take you through this the get function. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can as well use the link in the description box below to get the practice file. Soft Excel where I'm going to be using the get function. The get function is a database function. We use it to extract lists of values from a database in Microsoft Excel. Here in this worksheet, I have the names of different marketers from different region with their corresponding 2023, 2024 sales as it is. I want to get their name, region, and the 2023-2024 corresponding sales using this Dget function. What I'm going to do now is to fetch their name into this particular column using data validation. Come to the data tab. Here we have come to data validation. Good. What I'm going to be doing now is using the list. Where is my data source? My data source is here. Oh, having done this, press OK. I have their names into this column. I want to get their region. All I needed to do is to equals to sorry, the get the database. Where is my database? Here is my database, right? I'm going to make it absolute value. Having done this, where is the feed? Two things we can do here. I can either encode then or make a reference. Now, the limitation to an encoded feed is that if we try to copy the formula to the right, it won't. What we are going to be getting is the repetition of that word, actual field we have referenced. So let me show you. Here I'm going to type region. Now, one more thing is that when you are making when you are making use of this the get function, you must make sure that the feeds are actually corresponding. So the feed as it is in your database must be the same words in the same format in your list. So I'm saying region, then the criteria is the name. So I'm going to be referencing both the column header and where I want to return the value. F4 to log this and press enter. Here we are with this number error, right? We all know what this is. Let me fix this. To fix this, I'm going to say if error, then if error, nothing. Okay, I've taken care of that. Let us select a name. Here we are. Now, we have Mike, who is a sales marketer in the northeast region. Like I was saying the other time, if I copy this formula to the right, Control R, can you see now we have a word, a repetition. So it is repeated. To fix this, imagine having to come here and say 2023 says and press enter. This is not an efficient way of doing things. This is where you can use words cell referencing. To do that, all you need to do here is to reference this cell. Now, we don't need to make it, we don't need to lock that particular field, right? Either mixed or absolute. We don't need to do that. Just press enter, come back here and right click, Control R rather. Here we go. We've gotten the word, the 2023-2024 says. Let's change this to Jane. Now we can see that we fetch the corresponding values as well. Now, a limitation is that we can't copy this formula down. So if we try to copy this formula down here, come here and say you are copying this down, right? It won't work. So even if you type Jane here, it will not what? XZ does not recognize it. So this is one of the limitation of the get function. In order to, if you want to copy your formula down, all you need to do is to what? Make use of index and match function. So this index and match function come in handy to do that for you, right? So let me get rid of this. I've done this. Another beautiful thing is that if you are not looking to the left, right? If you are not looking to the left, you can use VLOOKUP because you notice that our name is what is in the right and we are looking to the left here in this field, right? So you can use VLOOKUP for that purpose. You can as well use the XLOOKUP in the latest Excel version. Another beautiful thing about this the get function is that it can use approximate match. So for instance, if I come here and put let's say Jenny for instance, can you see? So it recognize that. This is how you can use the get function in Microsoft Excel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you some other time.